The answer will be displayed 10 seconds after each question. Don't forget to comment how many answers did you get right. Allowance due to a wife by her divorced husband. A. Livelihood. B. Sustenance. C. Alimony. D. Pocket money. Correct answer is C. Alimony. Other side of the globe. A. Antipole. B. Poles. C. Reverse. D. Antipodes. Correct answer is D. Antipodes. The acts of disrespect toward sacred things. A. Indignity. B. Blasphemy. C. Profanity. D. Abuse. Correct answer is B. Blasphemy. Fear of being in closed, isolated places. A. Claustrophobia. B. Neurosis. C. Schizophrenia. D. Depression. Correct answer is A. Claustrophobia. An assembly of listeners. A. Gathering. B. Gallery. C. Audience. D. Crowd. Correct answer is C. Audience. A steep fall from the lofty to the commonplace. A. Anticlimax. B. Condescending. C. Bathos. D. Come down. Correct answer is C. Bathos. One who invests a lot of money in the private sector. A. Capitalist. B. Banker. C. Investor. D. Financier. Correct answer is A. Capitalist. A roundabout way of expression. A. Verbosity. B. Euphemism. C. Wordiness. D. Circumlocution. Correct answer is D. Circumlocution. A man of free and easy habits, socially unconventional. A. Bohemian. B. Rebel. C. Gypsy. D. Freebird. Correct answer is A. Bohemian. One who does not believe in the existence of God. A. Atheist. B. Heretic. C. Skeptic. D. Apostate. Correct answer is A. Atheist. A great lover of books. A. Bookworm. B. Reader. C. Scholar. D. Bibliophile. Correct answer is D. Bibliophile. Cultivation and study of trees or shrubs. A. Agronomy. B. Horticulture. C. Arboriculture. D. Gardening. Correct answer is C. Arboriculture. A plea that an accused was somewhere else when the crime was committed. A. Allegation. B. Proof. C. Alibi. D. Declaration. Correct answer is C. Alibi. A person from another land. A. Alien. B. Unknown. C. Intruder. D. Stranger. Correct answer is A. Alien. The life history of a person written by another. A. Profile. B. Biography. C. Journal. D. Memoir. Correct answer is B. Biography. Broadcast report on news. A. Publication. B. Announcement. C. Bulletin. D. Notice. Correct answer is C. Bulletin. The science of sound. A. Sonography. B. Sonology. C. Percussion. D. Acoustics. Correct answer is D. Acoustics. A written statement on oath. A. Vow. B. Promise. C. Affidavit. D. Draft. Correct answer is C. Affidavit. A person pretending to know a lot and to be very skillful. A. Imposter. B. Charlatan. C. Phony. D. Fraud. Correct answer is B. Charlatan. An institution for people needing special attention. A. Asylum. B. Retreat. C. Shelter. D. Madhouse. Correct answer is A. Asylum. The life history of a person written by himself. A. Confession. B. Life story. C. Autobiography. D. Journal. Correct answer is C. Autobiography. A government by the officials. A. Authority. B. Officialdom. C. Administration. D. Bureaucracy. Correct answer is D. Bureaucracy. A person guilty of malicious setting on fire of property. A. Firebrand. B. Firebug. C. Incendiary. D. Arsonist. Correct answer is D. Arsonist. A system of government by one person with absolute power. A. Oppression. B. Autocracy. C. Tyranny. D. Monarchy. Correct answer is B. Autocracy. The art of stylish handwriting. A. Calligraphy. B. Script. C. Longhand. D. Chirography. Correct answer is A. Calligraphy. Thank you friends for watching the video. Don't forget to click on the like button. Please subscribe for GK Frog for more general knowledge videos.